Welcome to Signal to Alpha, your essential market briefing. I'm Lady Muriel, cutting through the noise to deliver what moves markets today. Let's get you your alpha before the opening bell. Here's your executive summary. UnitedHealth Group is surging 6% pre-market after raising full-year earnings guidance for the second time this year, now projecting $19.50 to $20 per share. The healthcare giant crushed second-quarter expectations with revenue topping $112 billion, and a medical cost ratio of 86.7%, far below estimates of 88.4%. Meanwhile, Acting Attorney General Todd Blanche faces a critical second day of Senate confirmation hearings with his nomination uncertain as key Republicans remain uncommitted over DOJ independence concerns. Let's dig into the UnitedHealth story because this is your pre-market mover. The company raised guidance from $18.25 per share in April to $19.50 to $20 now. That's the second raise after starting at $17.75 in January. Revenue hit $112 billion in Q2, beating estimates of $110.8 billion. But here's the real story. That medical cost ratio came in at 86.7% versus expectations of 88.4% and last year's 89.4%. Lower medical costs mean higher margins. Year to date, UnitedHealth stock is up 24.4% versus the S&P 500 gain of just 10.4%. The one soft spot, customer base came in at 48.5 million, below consensus of 51 million. Now to Washington, where Todd Blanche is fighting for confirmation as Attorney General. Two key Republicans, Tillis and John Cornyn, refused to commit their votes. The sticking points, DOJ independence concerns, and that $1.8 billion settlement between Trump and the IRS. Democrats are unified in opposition. Dick Durbin said anyone representing Trump should never be Attorney General. Adding to challenges, he's Trump's former personal defense lawyer, creating conflict of interest questions. Tillis wants permanent legislation ending the anti-weaponization fund. The outcome remains uncertain. Former special counsel Jack Smith is back in the hot seat. Senate Judiciary Chairman Chuck Grassley revealed Smith's investigations swept up text messages from 44 members of Congress by bypassing filter team protocols designed to protect attorney-client privilege. Those caught up include Senators Grassley, Ron Johnson, Mike Lee, Josh Hawley, Rand Paul, Cory Booker, plus House members from both parties. Smith previously testified under oath that records he requested did not include text messages. Grassley plans to recall Smith to hold him accountable. One more item. President Trump delivers a primetime address Thursday night at 9 p.m. Eastern on free and fair elections. The speech is expected to center on Trump's Save America Act featuring voter ID and citizenship verification requirements. With CENTCOM launching its fifth consecutive day of strikes on Iran, geopolitical risk remains front and center. That's your signal to alpha for today. Subscribe for tomorrow's essential market briefing. Trade smart, stay informed. Check us out at capitalcopilot.io.